In this video, I'm going to show you how to get AGODA VIP. To begin, open your AGODA app. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled AGODA VIP. Here, if you scroll down, you will notice that AGODA offers different tiers of VIP memberships. When you first create your account, you will only be a regular member. The VIP levels are divided into 3 categories: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. To achieve the Silver VIP tier, you must complete at least 2 bookings within the last 2 years using the AGODA app. To reach the Gold VIP tier, you need a minimum of 5 bookings within the same time frame, and to achieve Platinum status, you must complete at least 10 bookings in the last 2 years. Each tier offers its own unique benefits. Silver members enjoy a 12% discount on VIP deals, Gold members get 18% off, while Platinum members receive an impressive 25% discount. To get these benefits, simply continue booking through the AGODA app. Once you meet the requirements, your VIP status will automatically update, and you can immediately enjoy the rewards. However, if you are new and want to experience VIP instantly without completing the required bookings, there is also an option. At the bottom of the VIP page, tap on Start a New Search. Here you will see available coupon codes and often find free trial offers for AGODA VIP. For example, you may find a free Platinum VIP trial that lasts 14 days. If such a trial is available, simply tap on Activate Now. Once activated, you will have full access to all the benefits of that tier for the trial period. For example, I activated the Platinum VIP trial, which gives me access to the highest discounts for 14 days, and I can see that my current status is Platinum right at the top of my screen. If you wish to keep the VIP status for a longer period, you need to fulfill the booking requirements I explained earlier. This way, you can enjoy AGODA VIP permanently instead of just the trial period. That is exactly how you can get AGODA VIP, either through regular bookings or by claiming a trial offer.